What's flying? Drone fanatics, aerial enthusiasts, and anyone who's ever looked at the sky and thought, man, I wish I could get a really good look at my neighbor's questionable garden gnomes from up here. Gather round because the winds of drone-related gossip are swirling, and they're carrying some seriously exciting news about the DJI Air 4. If the latest leaks are anything to go by, this could be a major glow-up for the Air series, like giving your reliable hatchback the engine of a sports car. We're talking about rumored enhancements in design, camera tech that might just make your eyeballs do a happy dance, and flight capabilities that could put the competition to shame. DJI seems to be pushing the boundaries yet again, and some sneaky whispers even suggest the Air 4 might be borrowing some fancy pants elements from the highly anticipated Mavic 4. While nothing's set in stone just yet, there's enough juicy speculation to keep us buzzing like a freshly charged battery, so let's dive right in. The biggest buzz so far? A leaked image from drone insider Jasper Ellens, showing what appears to be a crashed prototype of the DJI Air 4. Yep, it's battered, but brimming with clues. At first glance, the top cover design looks familiar, but there's a twist. 2 new sensors and an LED beacon. Sound familiar? It aligns with what we've heard about the Mavic 4, suggesting DJI is streamlining its designs across models. And here's the kicker. The front of the prototype seems to feature an upgraded LiDAR sensor array. If true, this could mean major improvements in obstacle detection and low-light performance. Imagine flying through tight spaces or navigating at night with pinpoint precision. Sounds promising, right? One noticeable upgrade in the prototype is its sturdier arms. Compared to the Air 3, these look reinforced and built to handle tougher conditions. Could this mean more stable flights in windy conditions? Possibly. Another interesting tweak is the apparent shift away from wide-angle sensors on the front corners. Instead, DJI might be leaning into that LiDAR system we just mentioned. If it works as rumored, this could mean a more precise and reliable flight experience, even in tricky lighting conditions. Now let's talk about cameras, because honestly, this is where DJI often shines. Rumor has it the Air 4 could feature dual 1-inch cameras. That's a big deal for image quality and low-light performance. Pair that with whispers of a variable aperture, and you've got a recipe for truly cinematic shots. Oh, and don't be surprised if 4K at high frame rates is on the table, along with enhanced dynamic range and vibrant color depth. But wait, there's more. Some reports hint at a mechanical shutter. Why does that matter? Because it can eliminate motion distortion, making it a game changer for professionals. Battery life could also get a significant boost, with some leaks suggesting up to 50 minutes of flight time. For context, the Air 3 already impressed us with 46 minutes. An extra 4 minutes might not sound like much, but in the world of drones, that's golden. And safety? If the Air 4 indeed features 360-degree obstacle detection powered by LiDAR, it could become one of the safest drones in the Air lineup. Imagine flying through complex terrains with full confidence. So, when can we get our hands on it? Based on DJI's usual 2-year refresh cycle, a late 2025 release seems likely. Pricing? The Air 3 debuted at $1,099, so expect something in that ballpark. Maybe a little higher if DJI packs in these premium features. So, if these leaks are accurate, the DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be a serious contender in the drone world. With that upgraded sensor layout, enhanced obstacle avoidance that could make it practically bump-proof, and longer flight times, it could bring some serious pro-level features into the more accessible Air lineup. But we want to know what you think. What are your thoughts on these rumored DJI Air 4 features? Would they be enough to make you upgrade from the Air 3? Let us know your aerial aspirations and drone desires in the comments below. Let's get that drone discussion soaring.